When you first start making YouTube videos, it's very easy to assume that this is going to be easy. You're going to make 10 videos, one's going to pop off, and you've got a career in front of you. Whilst that may be the case on TikTok, or for a few lucky people on YouTube, for most of us, 50, 100, 200 videos, and we've still not earned a penny from this, and have still not even reached the level of monetizing a channel yet. I've been making YouTube videos for 4 years. My first channel was around fitness and bodybuilding. I made 90 something videos on this channel and still didn't get monetized. I've started this channel, made probably 60 plus videos now, and I'm still not monetized. This is the reality that a lot of people don't see. I haven't earned a penny from any of it. Yeah, there was like a brand deal I did on my first channel where I got some like free hair gel and free like hairspray, but that's all I've taken from making YouTube videos so far. And if you compare that to like any other job, putting that many hours in every week, you'd likely be sitting on tens of thousands of pounds now. And that's why I found it tough, and so many other people have found it tough, even if they've worked in really harsh environments. Because it's not that it's hard to make the videos, it's just a mental game of making sure it works, which may take 5-6 years of nothing. Also, another harsh truth about being a YouTuber is a lot of people won't get it. When you talk to people at work about it, or some old friends, or even just people down the street ask what you do, they'll see it as like a pipe dream, probably laugh at you for it, especially if you're in like early education. I remember when I first started making silly gaming videos, I'd get comments just as I was walking through school. A lot of people won't see your vision and where you want to get to, and they won't until you actually make it there. And this can be really tough when you're really battling mentally to keep this dream alive too. It can diminish your motivation and almost make you question yourself why you're doing it. And that's partially the reason why I wanted to create this channel, to try and help people that are struggling with that, and build a place where we can all come together and help each other to make better videos and keep pushing towards our dreams. So if you feel the same and you want to join that, hit that subscribe button down below and let's build together. As I hinted towards earlier, the hardest part about YouTube isn't always the editing, the thumbnails, or the recording yourself on camera. It's the mentality. You will pour hours and hours and hours into probably the best video you've ever made, and then it will get like 50 views, radio silence. And even when you're in the best of mentalities and you're really motivated, this will crush you a bit. It will have you screaming at your laptop, why is this not happening? But one thing you have to come to terms with, and very quickly, is that it's a game of discipline. All of these massive creators that you look up to would have gone through this type of feeling again and again and again. And the reason they're up there is because they've gone through that thousands of times. You just won't ever really see those examples. As much as it is the most cliche thing ever, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Just get your mentality right and you will get there one day. Here's another harsh reality. You will be bad at the beginning, and you probably won't even realise that you're bad until you watch it back months later. But this is absolutely a challenge that you should accept to make better and better content. The better your editing is, the more people make it further through your videos. The better your talking to camera is, the more you connect with people, and the more they leave you a comment. The better your thumbnails are, the more people will actually make it to your video because of the art you put on it. No matter how much you get knocked down by this YouTube algorithm, keep going and keep improving, because it will all be worth it when it finally gives you a chance and you're in the best form you could possibly be in. Because it is guaranteed that you will get that day, as long as you don't quit. Now, to give you a little bit of help in improving your videos, I've put together a free creator kit, which includes a script template, some overlays to put in your editing, and a checklist of what you need to optimize before you upload a video. Just click the link down below and download it for yourself. Really help you out early on. What are you doing? This video is so bad. Oh, why does your hair look like that? Why do you talk so slow? One inevitable thing on YouTube, especially as you gain success, is that you'll get hate comments. And another fact is that you'll probably hyper focus on the hate comments and not the lovely ones that come along with it. At first, they will sting, and it's okay for them to. But just make sure you keep this premise in your mind, that the more you get success, the more you'll get hate comments, which means hate comments are an indicator that your videos are succeeding and they're reaching wider audiences. So in theory, you probably want them. Now, one thing that I really struggled with is all I've ever wanted to do is make YouTube videos and start growing my channel more and more. But the facts are, we all need to live. We all need to earn money. We all need to have social lives. We all need to keep fit. And it is not possible for us to just throw all of our time into this dream. Yet. It'll be tough, I'm not gonna lie. You'll come home from work, you'll be absolutely shattered, and you'll be like, oh man, I'm sacking it off today. But this is why discipline is so key. Don't expect yourself to be making a whole nother YouTube video every single day after work. Just no way it's gonna happen. But one of the best things that really helped me was just doing chunks of work. For example, on Monday afternoon, do an hour scripting, and then Tuesday afternoon, finish the script. Wednesday afternoon, film it, and maybe do some trim cuts. And then later in the week, you can finish off the edit and publish it. This way you can keep putting out content and it doesn't suck the absolute life out of you. Please don't be like I was in my first 3 months of working and just completely give up. Let 1 week pass, 2 weeks pass, 3 weeks pass, and you've still not made any videos. If you can make just a video every 2 weeks for the next 6 months, just make sure you keep your dream alive and keep providing the content to your audience. Now in 2025, unless you're insanely disciplined, you're consuming a lot of content online. And you'll see loads of influencers that are at the top of their game, with hundreds of thousands of subscribers, millions of TikTok followers, and it's very easy for us to draw a line between them and us and think, how are they being so successful? Why are they getting so many views? Why are they living my dream and I haven't got a chance? You need to snap out of this as soon as you can. Like probably one of the most important things that you do, because it's the easiest way to kill your motivation and to make you quit this game. And if you dive into it too much and you even find creators that are making videos slightly worse than you but getting 10 times the amount of views, it will drive you insane. But there is a reason why their videos are flying and going viral and yours aren't. And it took me a while to realize this. Watch this video right here to see what it is and how you can tilt the odds in your favor.